icebreaker activity. This is so exciting, guys. You get to pick one of these 4 fantastic pictures and write your own story about it. All have your paper and then pencils. Could I have people help pass out pencils? 4.
What did you write? I don't know.
You can just write about anything.
I thought you were doing reverse psychology on say number 3. Really, you're doing number 3? Did you do? Probably not. Okay.
Just write.
Whichever direction you want, but make sure you're adding 1 at a time.
1 word at a time.
I cannot believe my eyes.
Write down
One sentence at a time. Did I say 1 word? That's my bad.
The sun fell down. I like that.
Okay, Rion.
1 sentence.
I could not believe my eyes. I can't see TikTok videos. I can't watch YouTube videos. I can't slice a potato. I just do nothing but listen that I don't see anything. Then I smashed my iPad and sliced a tomato instead. Then I remembered I don't have a tomato.
I could not believe my eyes. I saw a monster. He was very big and furry.
I could not believe my eyes. I woke up in a boat in a volcano. I didn't know when or how I got here. I started panicking. I looked around the boat and found a chicken.
I couldn't believe my eyes. The sun fell down. It was as dark as a black hole. Then it turned into a mech. The mech became the king of the world. I had to stop it. My name is Peter, you fellas.